Go get it. Go get it. Here. Babe, will you do this?
What was that?
Oh, I just cleared the room. It's already videoing. Alright, put him back in there. And look, here's your last one. Okay. Oh, that's dirt.
Eat one, Noah.
Okay, now open up this one.
I don't think he knows he can eat them.
What's in this one? Open it. There you go. What's in there? Is that Starburst? You want me to open it for you? Here you go. Here. Open up these. What's in there? Open them and pour them in your basket. Good job. Here you go. Hey. There it is. Put it in your basket. You gonna eat that? Thank you. You gonna eat this? You gonna bite? No.
Oh, sun's in the way.
You can probably shut this off. This is boring.